Hello everyone. Now we are going to discuss some problems in profit or loss section. The first question is, the cost price of 10 articles is same as the selling price of 8 articles. What is the gain percentage? In the question he has given that the cost price of 10 articles is equal to selling price of 8 articles. Now we have to find out the gain percentage. So we'll write like this: cost price of 10 articles means CP into 10 equal to selling price of 8 articles means SP into 8. Therefore, we can make a ratio of cost price and selling price. CP by SP equal to 8 by 10. On cancellation, we get 4 by 5. So, cost price and selling price ratio CP by SP equal to 4 by 5. Cost price is 4 parts and selling price is 5 parts. Next, on observing these two, we will come to know that the gain is occurred because selling price is more. Selling price is 5 parts, cost price is 4 parts, 5 minus 4 equal to 1. 1 is a gain. Now he asked the gain percentage. So gain percent, what is gain percent formula? Gain by cost price into 100. Gain part is 1 by cost price is 4, 1 by 4 into 100, that gives 25%. Like this we have to solve. Let's move on to the second question. The second question is, a man sells 2 watches for 1820 each. On one he gained 30% and on the other he loses 30%. Find the total cost price of 2 watches. The statement is, a man sold 2 watches for 1820 rupees. The selling price is 1820. On the first watch he gained 30% and on the second watch he lost the 30%. What is the cost price of 2 watches? So the cost prices are different. Selling prices are same but cost prices are different. Now he asked the total cost price of 2 watches. So let's do the answer. Selling price of watch 1 is 1820. Selling price of watch 2 is also 1820. This is given. Okay. Now we'll see the profile of watch 1. First watch. On first watch he got the 30% gain. So gain equal to 30%. That is 130%. We know that cost price is 100 and gain is 30%. So the total selling price will be 100 plus 30, 130%. That is 130% is 1820. This is selling price. 100% you have to know. What is 100%? 100% means cost price. On cancellation we will get 1400. The cost price of watch 1 is 1400. Now we came to know the first watch 1 cost price. Now we'll identify the watch 2 cost price. On watch 2 he lost 30%. Loss is 30%. When loss is 30% means selling price is 70%. So 70 plus 30 is 100%. 100% is the cost price. We know the 70% value. We'll identify the 100% value. So 100 by 70 into 1820, that gives 2600. Cost price of watch 2 is 2600. What is the total cost price of 2 watches? Means cost price 1 plus cost price 2. That is 1400 plus 2600 equal to 4000. 4000 means option C. C is the answer, right answer. Yeah. Now let's move on to the third question. The third question is a bit interesting one. Let's see how to solve it. The profit obtained by selling an article for rupees 96 is twice the loss obtained by selling the same article for rupees 75. Find the cost price. Here in the question it is given that some profit has been obtained when it is sold at 96 rupees and some loss has been obtained when it is sold at 75 rupees. Yeah. Now what is the condition? The profit is twice the loss. Here the profit is twice the loss. Like this we have to read. The question will be confusing but we have to find out a technique how to read it. The profit is twice the loss obtained by selling the same article for rupees 75. Now let's see how to solve this. In the first statement he was given that profit is obtained means selling price is more than cost price. So SP minus CP equal to gain. CP minus SP equal to loss. This is we know. 96 minus cost price equal to 2x. Cost price minus 75 equal to x. Here the profit is twice the loss. That's why we have taken 2x and x. Yeah. From equation 2 we can obtain cost price equal to 75 plus x. This 75 will be sent to the right hand side. Yeah, cost price equal to 75 plus x. Now substitute this CP value, that is 75 plus x, in 1. What we get? 96 minus of 75 minus x, that equal to 2x. 96 minus 75 is 21, and 2x plus x equal to 3x. So x equal to 7. Put this x value in any of the equation, in any of the expression. For easy purpose, we will substitute in equation 2. CP minus 75 equal to 7. Cost price is 82. Like that we have to solve. Let's move to the final one. The final question is, the profit obtained by selling an article for rupees 425 is same the loss when the same article is sold for rupees 355. The cost of the commodity is. In this question he has given that the profit obtained by selling an article for rupees 425 is same the loss when an article is sold at 425. Some profit is obtained, and the same article when sold at 355, some loss is obtained. That loss is same to the profit. Let's see how to solve this. In the first statement it was given that 425 minus CP equal to x. Since profit, whenever we see the word profit, we have to do SP minus CP. SP is 425 from the question, equal to x. CP minus 355 is also equal to x. Since profit and loss are equal, yes, from equation 2 we get CP equal to x plus 355, like we did in the previous problem. So we get x value. What is x value? 35. After the calculation we get x equal to 35. Put this 35 in any of the equation. So we'll put in 2. CP minus 355 equal to 35. Cost price is 390. So finally we find out the cost price. The option is fourth option. Like this we have to solve. Thank you.